Welcome to our review of the Whirlpool 7. 5 kg 5-star semi-automatic top-loading washing machine, the ACE 7. 5 Supreme in Grey Dazzle. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the specifications and features of this washing machine and how it can make your laundry experience easier and more efficient. The Whirlpool ACE 7. 5 Supreme is equipped with an ACE wash station, allowing you to conveniently sort, stack, and carry your clothes on the machine itself. No more hassle of moving clothes from one place to another. The inbuilt scrubber in the wash tub ensures that your clothes receive a perfect wash every time. This washing machine offers 3 wash programs: delicate, normal, and heavy, giving you the flexibility to choose the right setting for your laundry needs. Additionally, the machine features Supersoak technology, which enables easy removal of tough dirt by providing continuous soaking and scrubbing action for 25 minutes. One of the standout features of the Whirlpool ACE 7. 5 Supreme is its easy mobility. With 4 wheels attached, you can effortlessly move the machine around by sliding it, making it convenient for cleaning or rearranging your laundry area. The washing machine boasts a maximum spin speed of 1400 RPM, ensuring superior drying of your clothes. With this high spin speed, your garments will come out of the machine with less moisture, reducing drying time and energy consumption. The Whirlpool ACE 7. 5 Supreme offers auto-restart functionality, which comes in handy in case of power interruptions. You won't have to worry about restarting the machine or resetting your preferred settings. Moreover, the end-of-cycle buzzer notifies you when the laundry is done, so you can attend to other tasks without constantly checking on the machine. Now let's talk about the price. The Whirlpool 7. 5 kg 5-star semi-automatic top-loading washing machine, the ACE 7. 5 Supreme, is available at a price of $11,490. Considering its features, performance, and the reputable brand behind it, this washing machine offers great value for your money. In conclusion, the Whirlpool 7. 5 kg 5-star semi-automatic top-loading washing machine, the ACE 7. 5 Supreme, is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable and efficient laundry solution. With its versatile wash programs, Supersoak technology, easy mobility, and superior performance, this washing machine can handle all your laundry needs with ease. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more product reviews and helpful tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.